What's up, guys? It's Crystal Rose Creates here, and I am back today. We're going to do an unboxing of some yarn that I got in the mail. I'm going to be using this yarn for the purpose of making swimsuits. I'm so excited. So yeah, if you're looking to make swimsuits, or this could be good for like any kind of summery tops or anything like that, stay tuned because you're going to want to see what I got. I really hope I like what I got because I did buy quite a bit of it and I have some good plans for it. So the first one is from Hobinsyarn.com. I'm going to link it below because I don't even know if I'm saying it right. But I got quite a bit of colors. Let's see what we're doing here. Let's see what we got. Okay. Don't want to cut into my yarn. It came in like this kind of packaging, so it's all nice and waterproof. Oh look, the bag has their social media handles on it. Let's see. Okay. Alright, I'm going to show you guys in a second. I am not being paid for this, by the way, but I probably should be. I'm just saying. Alright. Oh, it looks like it's backwards in the camera because I'm using my front face camera, but Hobinsyarns on Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram. So, Hobinsis yarns. That is the brand where I found it's like this Himalayan bikini yarn. Let's see. I still haven't got it open yet. Let's see. Oh, it's a little bit thinner than I thought it would be. And I kind of thought I would be doing that. Like, I'd be working with thin yarn. But this is how thin. But I think that's going to be okay. It's just, I'm not used to working with thin yarn. But this is the Himalayan bikini, and it is really nice quality. I'm not mad at it. Himalayan bikini. I got green. I got red. Red. And I will say this green, it looks a little bit more like minty on the website, I think, but it's kind of like a lime green, which I'm happy about, by the way. Of course, I got white and black, which I can't wait to see what I come up with. Oh my gosh. More white and black because I love a white and black classic. All right, we got yellow. We got this pretty blue. I like the blue. And we got an orange. I like this orange. That's really pretty. Super pretty. Okay, so these were, I think, $5.99 each. And I did have to pay shipping, which I wasn't very happy about. I think I paid like $16 for shipping, and it was coming from like Delaware, which I was confused about because I'm like, why is it so expensive? But I was kind of desperate to get some good yarn for swimwear, so I paid for it. And now, I mean, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at all. I'm wondering how, what I can get out of this, though. We shall see. This is the Himalaya yarns. This is, of course, they have their own brand. They also have social media handles listed here. It is Himalaya_yarns on Instagram. Made in Turkey. 108 yards. And 50 grams. This is 100% micropolyamide. So it's supposed to be really good and dry fast for swimwear. So yeah. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. I would like for shipping prices to come down. Just saying. But I'm gonna work with it. I'm happy with what I got. Okay, so this next one I'm super excited about. I'm sorry, I have like a little cold going on, so I know that's probably annoying. I'm sorry guys. It's like the seasons are changing and that's what I'm dealing with right now. The next one I have, and you probably heard of this one because I've been seeing it everywhere. I don't know if you have, but Guchet yarns. It's a small business based out of Florida. And I was so excited to order from this site because I've been looking and eyeballing it for a long time. And I finally ordered some. So shout out to Guchet, Guchet. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but I'm excited. I'm super excited for this one. Not gonna lie. All right, let's see what I got. I'm like trying so hard not to cut into my yarn, guys. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, came in this packaging here. Look at them colors. Okay. Wow. Okay. This is really pretty. It's packaged very nicely to make sure that, you know, it's waterproof getting through the mail. So, very nice. And I did order the, I believe this was the polyester, under the polyester tab. And it's Mod Guchet yarns. This is the branding on it. And it's like metallic a little bit. Oh my gosh. I love this. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone a little bit with like thinner yarn. But I'm excited. This is 43% polyester and 57% acrylic, 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 342 yards. And I will say, this was pretty good priced. I can't remember. Was it $7? I can't remember, guys. Don't mark my words, but go check this brand out. This is pretty, and this is going to be a super pretty swimsuit. Like, I don't know if you guys can see the metallic-y look, but the green is greening. I like the green. I also got it in a pink, super pretty pink. I love the pink. I got pink nails. Pink. This is going to be cute. It definitely, it's like fuzzy, but it's very, very soft. And it's super pretty. I got 2 greens, 2 pinks, and 2 yellows. Ooh. Yeah, and it all has that metallic stuff. And I'm so mad because like once I placed my order, I discovered more yarn on there that I wanted. So yeah, I'm probably going to order again. But the prices were very nice. The shipping was fast. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. And she also sent me this, which is pretty cool. Oh, whoa. Hold on. It says, okay, I get a 10% off for my next purchase. And it is www.guchet.com, Guchet. And yeah, look at this. I have a whole thing, a whole paper of, like, she sent some samples. Look how pretty that blue is. That blue is fire. And it's so soft. Oh my gosh. And this is the Corinne yarn. That sample is. That is 60% silk, 30% cashmere, and 10% acrylic. I might have to order some of this, guys. That is beautiful. Also, she sent the Aiden yarn sample thing. And look at the multicolored. I'm sorry if my lighting is a little bit off. I'm trying. No, that looks pretty accurate here. So yeah, and there's a bunch of different colors on here, and that Aiden yarn for this page is 100% acrylic, and there's 61 colors of it. And yeah, they're on Facebook, Pinterest, and you could shop online. And it's okay, it's Guchet. I've been saying it wrong. Guchet yarn. There's pronunciation here. Thank you. I appreciate that. Guchet yarn. I'm excited, and I cannot wait to use my Guchet yarn. Girl. Let me see. I think I'm really excited about this Guchet yarn. But I'm also equally excited for this. This feels like it's going to hold up really well. I think this will hold up really well too. We're just going to have to see. Either way, I'm excited for all of this yarn, and I cannot wait. Stay tuned to see what I make with it, and check out these yarn brands, guys. I am trying really hard to support smaller brands over, these larger craft stores, especially since my favorite craft store has closed. But yeah, this I have a feeling I'm going to be ordering more from Guchet for sure. The shipping was affordable, the prices were affordable, and look, like they have the exclusive stuff. Like they have yarn that I have not seen on other sites on their site. So shout out to Guchet. Also, shout out to Hobinsyarn. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, but we're going to see these brands I'm going to be working on them like real soon. So stay tuned. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, if you like this content. And yeah, give me some feedback, guys. Let me know what you're using for your summer items. I'm going to be getting started on summer real soon because I am tired of this weather. I want to manifest the oncoming of the warmer weather. So I'm going to start working on warm weather clothing. So yeah. Also, oh my goodness, I'm so annoyed with this cold. But also, if you guys have any influencers that would be willing to model some swimwear for me at a very discounted price, and help me promote Crystal Rose Creates, send them my way. And so just email me at crystalrosecreates@gmail.com, or you can also send me a direct message on my Instagram, which is Crystal Rose Creates, Facebook, Crystal Rose Creates. I will say that sometimes those messages get sent to like a spammy folder, so be sure to add me as a friend first or follow me and then send the message, because I'm not sure how that happens. I sometimes find messages way late, but again, send them my way, please, and be sure to subscribe, like, share, comment if you like this content. I'll see you next time.